NVIDIA's RTX 50 series might be grabbing headlines right now, but the Green Team's RTX 40 series GPUs remain a top choice among gamers. One card that pairs especially well with budget to mid-level builds is the GIGABYTE RTX 4060 Eagle OC, which I consider one of the best value options, thanks to its excellent balance of performance, efficiency, and modern features. On paper, the RTX 4060 packs 3072 CUDA cores, 8GB of GDDR6 memory, and a power draw of just 114 watts. It runs at a 1830 MHz base clock with a boost clock of 2460 MHz, though custom models like the Gigabyte version can push up to 2505 MHz, giving a small but noticeable uplift in frame rates, delivering strong results at 1080p titles while maintaining low thermals and power consumption. It also complements the CPU's strong single-core performance, delivering consistently high and stable frame rates across modern AAA games. Plus, you get NVIDIA's DLSS 3 technology, which provides a significant boost to performance and visual quality. And even if the 8GB VRAM might feel a bit limited, especially with how demanding modern games have become, DLSS and frame generation help make up for it by letting you play at higher settings with smoother performance without worrying about memory limits. If you're considering an AMD alternative, the Radeon RX 6650 XT is another strong option, especially for those who value raw performance over AI features or ray tracing. That said, the lack of DLSS and ray tracing support are notable trade-offs for the 6650 XT, and with the 4060 performing neck and neck in most benchmarks, opting for NVIDIA's card doesn't feel like a step down. Simply put, the RTX 4060 gives you more features with fewer compromises. To sum up, what I like is the excellent performance at 1080p, the DLSS 3 support, and the excellent efficiency and low power draw. And the downside, limited 8GB VRAM could be restrictive in some newer titles.